Okay everyone, so right now I'm going to show you guys how to install this on the back of your car window. So every main panel come with two adhesive hook and loops strip. So all you guys need to do is take out one of the strip first, put it on the left side, make sure it's tightly secured, and the second strip one left and one on the right. It's perfectly secure, and after that just take this off, other one, and then you need to measure first, make sure which area do you want to stick the panel to make sure it's not too high, it's not too low. I usually like to stick it on the left side of my car window, so usually around this area in here. Okay, that's it guys. Make sure it's fully secured before you guys use it, okay? Remote control, of course. Remote guys, usually I like to put it close to my gear shift, so if you find a surface that's closer to you, I think it's easier or the best, because you don't even need to look to press, because you know on the top button is always the sorry and the bottom is the thanks. I make it a texture button here, so easier to feel. So I usually like it to put it really close to this with the adhesive washable tape here that we provide for you guys. So all you guys need to do is just peel this. This is rewashable and reusable, so if it's super sticky, you can stick it anywhere inside your car. But this is just my personal opinion that I like it to put it here. So when I drive, and I don't need even to press the button, you know, it's gonna be sorry here and thanks here. That's the most important thing when you guys driving. Still focus on your surrounding and the safety of everyone before using the product. Or you guys can put the remote in the cup holder and then press it and put it back. That's okay too. So it's up to you guys. But I hope you guys drive safe. I see you guys next time. Have fun on the road. Thank you very much for watching. All good drivers. Bye.